I am finally back to my base, and it's about time we took this Forex trading challenge to the next level. I mean, this 120 days profitability challenge. It's about time we took it to the next level. For the past few days, you all can attest to the fact that I have been really unproductive. I have not done anything significant about this trading challenge. But thank God I'm finally back to my base. But before we even start the chart work, before we even go to the Forex market to do what we have to do, right? I want to share a little story with you about my trip and why I spent over 13 good hours on a bus before getting to my destination. Apparently, this has been the longest time I've kind of spent on a bus. Like I've been taking this long journey trips, but this one actually has been like the longest one so far. 13 good hours. I haven't had that one. The maximum I do get was, I think the last time I checked was 9 hours. 9 hours on a bus before getting to my destination. But this one took me 13 good hours due to some reason. Alright, but before getting to the bus station to even board the bus, I took trotro from where I stay to the bus station, and the experience in a trotro made me feel like Godsway. I think one day you should just have your own car and move about whenever you want. And I think I'll have to do that one day. I'll definitely do that. Maybe this FS will help me do that one day. Right, let's go. So I got to the bus station early and I got my ticket ready and waiting for the bus to take us to my destination, right? I think the ticket costs some few Ghana cedis, right? So after getting my tickets, I was waiting for the bus to be full for them to even load goods in it. And so whilst I was waiting, I was like, why not? The city is just a distance away from the lorry station, the bus station. So let me just go and have a view of it. The time I got there, it was actually getting late. So this is a view of the sea just behind the the bus station where I do take my bath before leaving. Well, so after getting back from the seashore, right, our bus actually took a little bit while before taking off or before even moving. That's simply because they were loading a lot of goods in the bus, like a lot of stuff, plenty. It got to a point I was like, this bus, is it taking human beings or just goods? Loads, plenty like this. And I kind of guessed at the point they were loading the goods in the bus, I kind of guessed that the police and the custom officers will worry us along the journey. And my guess was actually right. Yeah, it was right. And that's how come we spent over 13 hours on the bus. So we actually set off around 9:20 p.m. And of course, we've had a lot of encounter with the police and the custom officers along the journey. And at a point, the police officers delayed us over an hour before allowing us to go. And you know why? The bus has loads of goods in it. Like I said earlier, it has a lot of goods in it. So because of those loads, they have to kind of let us wait and do a lot of inquiry and stuff like that before allowing us to leave. And finally we got to my destination around 10:40 thereabouts. A.m. in the morning. We got to my destination around 10:40 a.m. and I was very tired, but I cannot just complain. I can't complain. So I just have to do what I have to do, right? But the good news, or the most important thing right here, is that I'm finally back to my destination. And in the next few days, you should see me working on a chart heavily so that we can get the best out of it. So I'm right back here in Kumasi, and yes, let's see how everything is going to go in the next few days that I'm left with to see how this 120 days challenge is gonna go. Right, so I just got into a car and I'm heading home. That's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Right, so for those of you who are new over here, actually this is a challenge I've been taking, and it's a 120 days challenge that I'm trying to become a profitable forex trader within this period. Yeah, so if you'd like to follow me and see how this challenge is going to go, either I'll be able to become this profitable forex trader or not, kindly go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.